Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to download Valorant in your phone, in your mobile device. So as you know, let's just go to Google and let me take your home page in the Google here, and if I just go and search here Valorant in phone, right? And once I type here, currently Valorant is still in the developing stage and you can only get the early access to download this in your mobile phone. So here if I just go here, you can see Riot Games will have to build the game for the ground up to optimize it for the Android and iOS. So it is still in the development stage, and I got a news that it has got released in China, right? And once that test complete, you will able to play the game, which will be released worldwide. So here you have to just type Valorant mobile early access and you can get the early access here. So this is the first website which is giving an option to get the early access, and here you have to pre-register for the Valorant here, and you have to install, because as you know it has only released in China. That's why you can only download it from TapTap. So TapTap is basically you can say Chinese Play Store or App Store where you can download the application, right? And it's very difficult to play the games which is got released in China. So you have to pre-register on it, and once you pre-register, fortunately you might able to play this game. So I will advise you have to wait for a few months more, and once Valorant gets released in your country, you will definitely able to play this. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.